My name's Paul Bamber. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at AVM. Circle Square number 3 was really interesting because we actually got involved in 2022. This building PC'd in 2025. But what that meant was we almost helped them develop what experience they were trying to deliver here at Circle Square. And you could see from those very early visuals that this was going to be absolute 5-star space, and the technology just needed to blend into the background and just almost enhance the quality. In that time from 2022 to it being delivered in 2025, they got some significant pre-lets. They had to redesign significant spaces, which again, we were brought in just at the right time. We were part of the team, which then I think means that they've ended up with a really great solution. Maybe consider some signage there, let's maybe consider some background music there. They've got 6 million square feet and we do all of their receptions, whether it's Liverpool, Leeds, Birmingham, Manchester and beyond. We've got a standards guide for them, so whenever they do a 4-person, a 6-person, a 10-person meeting room, the experience is exactly the same. And we work with them to create almost the optimal experience. They don't want to involve IT, they don't want to be filled with dread when a customer books a boardroom. They just want to know they can walk in and the experience is going to be really easy to use. We've developed 3 different types of event spaces for Bruntwood again. But here, for instance, they've got a hybrid event space. So they could set this up in a mega boardroom style and they could dial people in. And again, this is all managed by the on-site host. This is not a complicated experience for them to manage. It's just built with the user in mind. The technology is almost irrelevant. We worry about that. But our biggest worry is making sure during that ideation stage, we ask the right questions. Who's going to use it? Is it going to be an internal meeting? Is it going to be external? What that's really translated to in the standards document is almost a really simple shopping list for the client at Bruntwood. So we can take them from nothing to something really quickly, and particularly when you're involved really early, it means that with Charlie, from a budgeting perspective, we can give him all the power and data, the containment, we can give him a full design pack so that he can more accurately cost his project much earlier, including all the AV. So he's at a huge advantage when it comes to forecasting and obviously getting the budget together.